Firstly, mix baking powder with yogurt and set aside. Then pour clarified pastry oil and butter into a container, add homemade clarified oil, and mix. The method of making homemade clarified oil is explained in the description. This oil should be kept in the freezer and taken out when needed to prevent it from melting. Add powdered sugar and mix a little, then beat with an electric mixer on high speed for 10 minutes until it becomes fluffy and creamy. Once during mixing, bring the ingredients to the center of the container, scrape the container's sides, and then mix again with the electric mixer. Once the mixture turns white and fluffy, add the egg, vanilla extract, and rose water, and mix well. Then add yogurt and mix well with the electric mixer. Gradually add rice flour, pastry flour, and cardamom powder, sifted and mixed, and gently fold with a spatula until uniform. Be careful not to overmix. Now divide the dough into 3 portions and leave 1 portion plain. Add saffron-infused thickened dough to another portion and mix with your fingertips, then set aside. Add 1 tablespoon cocoa powder to the remaining portion and mix with your fingertips. Place each of the 3 dough portions in plastic wrap and refrigerate for 4 to 5 hours until slightly firm. After this time, roll out the dough on a floured surface to a thickness of 4 mm. Use a cutter to cut the dough into shapes and place them with a distance on oiled paper. Gather up the excess dough and do not knead it. If the dough is too soft, refrigerate it until slightly firm and then roll it out again. Use a pattern mold to imprint patterns on the dough. Sprinkle pistachio powder on top of the dough and bake in a preheated oven at 150 degrees Celsius for 12 to 15 minutes. Note that these pastries should not change color in the oven. Once removed from the oven, do not touch them for about half an hour to an hour, then they will easily come off the tray. Enjoy!